Sure, because we were all taught good manners when we were little. And speaking of good manners, hit it, Barney. Oh, please?
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, let's tell them about good manners, Michael. Ready? Hit it, Michael.
My parents started teaching me when I was just 2, all about manners and the right things to do. They told me learn to say thank you, and learn to say please, and learn to say excuse me if you happen to sneeze.
Yeah.
Good manners. Good manners. Good manners are important to everyone in the world. My parents kept on teaching me when I was 3, and then the more I learned, the more that I could see that there's a way to do it wrong, there's a way to do it right. Everybody use your manners now and be polite.
Oh, please.
Good manners. Good manners. Good manners are important to everyone in the world.
Oh, yeah. Okay, watch me now. Watch me, watch me. Here we go. Benny. Okay, hit it.
Good manners. Good manners.
Yeah.
Good manners are important to everyone in the world. Good manners are important to everyone in the world.
You said it. I just love good manners. Hey, I bet you know some other ways you can show good manners.
You should always cover your mouth when you cough.
Or when you sneeze. Excuse me.
Bless you.
If you're chewing gum, you should keep it in your mouth and not play with it. I know a silly song about something you should never do with gum.
What's that?
Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If you chew it in the morning, will it be too hard to bite? Can't you see I'm going crazy? Won't somebody set me right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight?
That's a good question.
Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If you chew it in the morning, will it be too hard to bite? Can't you see I'm going crazy? Won't somebody set me right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight?
I would never take gum out of my mouth and stick it to something. Sometimes my mom lets me chew bubble gum, but it's not good manners to blow bubbles in front of people.
It's okay to blow bubbles with friends, though.
But with bubble gum, you can only make one at a time. Why don't we have some fun making lots of bubbles? Lots and lots of bubbles, please.
Whoa, wait a minute. Let's make this our very special Splash Day. And for that, we need some special clothes. Okay, here we go.
We'll put the buttons here. Here, I'll get the door. Thank you. You're welcome. Tina, may I have the fly swatters?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, Michael.
Oh, thanks.
Here, Min. You can use these. Thank you, Derek. You use them for what?
For making bubbles. Just dip them in the bubble mix. Just watch.
Whoa, let me try.
Oh, look at them walk.
Wow.
Oh, excuse me, man. I didn't mean to bump into you.
Oh, that's okay, Michael.
Here we go. Here's some more.
You can almost get in these, boys.
Yeah, they're so big, Barney.
Oh, they sure are. Here we go. Whoa.
These
You
are
want this?
neat, Barney.
Teeny tiny one's a big one. Let's go. Oh, that is heat.
Splashing around, it is fun to pretend you're a fish or a froggy or a duck, quack, quack. But don't forget to wash your arms and legs and your tummy and your back.
Sometimes I splash too much. I hope I won't get in trouble. But when I take a bath, it's so much fun watching bubble after bubble after bubble.
When you're splashing around, it is fun to pretend you're a fish or a froggy or a duck, quack, quack. But don't forget to wash your arms and legs and your tummy and your back. Oh, when you're splashing around, it is fun to pretend you're a fish or a froggy or a duck, quack, quack. But don't forget to wash your arms and legs and your tummy and your back.
Playing with water is fun.
Hey, let's have a splash party. Yeah. We can do all sorts of fun things with water. Yeah, that'd be cool.